guys, I'm going to show you how to get the moving fish on Roblox. First, you have to go here and click the three dots, and you have to go to settings and go to privacy. If you see this and you see this, tap it. Oh. And you have this. And I'm going to show you how it looks like on Murder Mystery 2. So you have to sit down. If you go here and you see this is our moving screen, but I'm faceless, so I can just move my head. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, it won't. Oh, see? So guys, this is the end of this video. So bye.